fabulous people. I am Teacher Melanie, Teacher Mom. And so today I just want to share with you, question. Should you use music as an online ESL teacher to teach your students? Let's find out. I am Teacher Melanie, Teacher Mom, my fabulous people. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back to paradise. So, the question I posed to you, should you be using music as an online ESL teacher? Absolutely. Absolutely. Why? I'm going to share with you 5 reasons on why you should use music as an online ESL teacher. First one, number 1, music is fun. Music is fun. Doesn't it make a difference when you go places and music is playing, you're in a mood, you're excited to be there, as opposed to go someplace and there's no music and you're like, crickets, oh, what's going on? Music is fun. Music is fun. Next one, number 2. Music teaches language. Music teaches language. So what do you mean? Music can help students to learn more about the language itself. So it does help with students learning more about the language. Okay? So next one we have option number 3. Music helps with learning. What do you mean? Well, according to studies, it shows that music can help with concentration, music helps with stress, and it also can improve memory. So stress improves memory and it helps you to concentrate. I know it does for me, and I've seen it for my students as well. Music helps with learning. Option number 4, music can set the mood. There was a time when I used to do a lot of trainings and I would always have music in my training because I want people to come in there to know that this training is going to be fun. Same thing when I play music, or if I'm doing music or some type of music within my lesson, that they know that this is going to be fun. So sometimes I may sing a sentence instead of saying it. I may sing a word, breaking it up instead of saying it, or trying to teach them symbols. I'm singing it or I'm doing some type of rhythm. Hello, congratulations. So they'll know the rhythm helps them to catch on, and what? It's helping them to learn. Okay, and it's setting the mood. Now, number 5, music teaches culture. I find that when I engage my students in their music culture, they're more eager to want to participate in lessons. So the other day I was with one of my students, I was online, and they were singing actually one of their lessons, one of their songs, their culture songs. And I was like, no, go ahead, sing some more. And I asked them about it, who's their favorite singer, and then they asked me. So that helps with their engagement, which is helping them to build that dialect and that dialogue as well, and their conversation skills. So I know there is music that I like and I like to share with them. They like to listen to it, and we're all jamming. So I'm gonna show a little clip of me just kind of doing a quick little lesson where I'm just using music, whether I'm singing the sentence or they're singing it back to me, and they're able to catch on with that. So those are the 5 reasons you should be using music as an online ESL teacher. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that box so you know when I'm going to upload videos. And I can't wait to see you again in this wonderful life of online ESL community. And don't forget, you see my shirt says like a boss. You keep doing you like a boss. See you next time. Bye, fabulous people. P-L-A-Y play.
P-L-A-Y play.